Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am making kulipaniyaram with pudina chutney. This is a traditional South Indian recipe. You can even use idli maavu to make this, but I am doing it from scratch. I am giving you the correct recipe for this kulipaniyaram. So please try out this measurement, make the kulipaniyaram and put in your comments. Also I am making pudina chutney to go with this kulipaniyaram. So let's get started. I am adding 1 cup of, this is idli rice, fat rice. Okay, 1 cup. And 1 cup of raw rice, pacharisi. Okay, this is raw rice. 1 cup idli arisi and 1 cup raw rice and 1/4 cup of urad dal. 1/4 cup. The same cup you measure. 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. This I'll be washing this and soaking it for about 2 hours. I've blended the ingredients and the batter is ready. Set it aside for 6 to 8 hours or overnight like idli batter. I'm going to temper the mustard seeds about 1/2 teaspoon in about 1 tablespoon of oil, and then I'll be adding in the ginger, about 1-inch piece. I've minced it. Onion, about small onions, about 4 shallots and 1 big onion. I've minced it also, and carrots I've taken grated like this. Curry leaves and coconut, grated coconut, about 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to add it to the batter. So let's get started. Adding about 1 teaspoon oil, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for it to split. Ginger, curry leaves, onion, carrot. You don't have to stir for long, just for a while until it's all combined and the onion is a bit soft. You can turn off the stove. Now the coconut. See, it's done. Now I am turning off the stove. Let it cool for a while before I add it into the batter. It's already cooled. Now I am adding it into the batter. So the batter is ready. I'm just mixing it before I start making the kulipaniyaram. Then pour. Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to make a pudina chutney to go for the kulipaniyaram. And this is a traditional South Indian recipe as well. So I will just show you the ingredients what I am going to add in for the chutney. You can use this chutney for idli or dosa as well. So let's get started with the recipe for pudina chutney. The ingredients for today's pudina chutney, using gingerly oil, about 1 tablespoon. I am going to temper urad dal, about 1 tablespoon urad dal, and this is Bengal gram, this pottu kadala, about 1/2 tablespoon, and mustard seeds, half teaspoon, together with about 6 chilies, dried chilies. Okay, and this one is puli, tamarind. I have just taken a little bit. I'll be adding all this first, and then I will add the 1 inch of ginger. I've cut it in small pieces, and about 6 cloves of garlic, also I've chopped it, and about 2 big onions and about 6 shallots, chopped it, and 2 tomatoes. And this is grated coconut. I've taken about 2 tablespoons. Pudina, mint leaves. Okay, and salt too. Also I'll be adding some asafoetida. This is the big one. I'll be adding a small piece when I'm tempering the spices. Earlier I forgot to mention this. Okay, and salt to taste. So let's get started. I'm adding about gingerly oil, 1 tablespoon. Urad dal. This urad dal. Mustard seeds, about half teaspoon. Wait for the urad dal to brown. It browns, golden brown, then you add the Bengal gram, half tablespoon. Then this is the tamarind. See, it's golden brown. I'm adding the dried chili. Once it browns only, you add and stir for a few minutes before you add the ginger garlic. Ginger. Stir for a while. Garlic. Also stir for a while. Then onion. Wait for the onion to soften. The onion is a bit translucent. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Wait for the tomatoes to soften. Adding some curry leaves. Salt I'm adding. You add salt to your taste. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon. Once the tomatoes are softened, now add the pudina. Stir it for a while. Now I am adding the coconut. So once this is done, let it cool for a while before you turn off the stove and grind it for the puli paniyaram. You can have this chutney for idli, dosa, and you can add more pudinas if you want, but I don't like the too much of it. That's why I added what I need. Okay, I'm turning off the stove. So it's ready. Wait for it to cool before you grind it in the blender to make it a small for the chutney. Blender to grind it to a smooth paste. Okay, turning off the stove. So I'll transfer to a plate, and I'm going to let it cool for some time before I grind it blender. Okay, this is cooled already. I'm going to grind the chutney in the blender. I've already ground the chutney. It's ready to go. The taste, I've tasted everything. The salt, everything is perfect. So you add your salt according to your taste. So the puli paniyaram with pudina chutney is ready to serve. Please try out this simple South Indian best recipe and put in your comments, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.